Hey guys, welcome back! So good to see you all again! Flat Earth sounds ridiculous at first, right? But the more you think about it, the more you read, the more you debate, the more it starts to feel kinda convincing. Don't worry, this video isn't here to debunk or roast the Flat Earth conspiracy. Nope, Facts 5 Minutes is going all in to show you exactly what would happen if the Earth really was flat. Buckle up. First off, if Earth is flat, it's got two sides. We live on the top side, lit up by the sun. According to Wilbur Glenn Voliva, that early 20th century flat Earth legend, the sun is only about 51 kilometers across and no more than 4,800 kilometers above us. Not 1.4 million kilometers wide and 150 million kilometers away like mainstream science says. Sounds hilarious, but hold up! Back in the 3rd century BC, Greek mathematician Eratosthenes used shadows from two sticks in Syene and Alexandria, 800 kilometers apart, to calculate Earth's circumference, assuming it was a sphere. It's considered one of the earliest proofs Earth is round. But wait a sec. On a flat Earth with a sun a few thousand kilometers up, those same shadows would still be different lengths in different cities, exactly like on a globe. The sun circles above, lighting up just one part at a time. That's day, the rest is night. Its path draws a circle, creating time zones. Seasons happen when the sun's orbital radius changes. Smallest radius equals summer in the north, biggest equals summer in the south. Plus the sun bobs up and down, making that figure-8 analemma pattern throughout the year. Here's the big issue. Ever heard of the midnight sun? 24 hours of daylight in summer near the poles, the polar day. The closer to the pole, the longer it lasts. At the North Pole, the center of the flat world, you get 6 months of midnight sun, roughly March 18 to Sept 24. Easy, the sun just circles super tight at the center. But the South Pole also gets 6 months of it, Sept 20 to March 23-ish. How can one tiny sun light up the entire Antarctic region at once? On flat Earth, Antarctica isn't a compact pole. It's a massive ice wall rim around the edge. Impossible to light the whole thing. Next, gravity. Michael from Vsauce once broke it down. With the right mass, density, and thickness, life at the center of a flat disk would feel normal. But gravity pulls toward the center of mass, so as you move toward the edge, it starts tilting sideways. Live on the outer half? Feels like you're climbing a steeper and steeper slope. Slip at the edge? You roll all the way back to the center, aka the North Pole. Oceans would all pool in the middle, flooding the inner disk and leaving the outer rim high and dry. Houses in edge countries, South Africa, South America, Australia, would need to be built tilted so the floor feels level. Trees would grow crooked too, always fighting the angled pull. Kids fear monsters. Flat earthers fear falling off the edge. But chill, if you watch F5M, you're safe. Gravity's perpendicular at the center and tilts toward the rim, so the edge becomes the top of your slope. You could walk along the Antarctic ice wall if you survive the cold, and even slide down to explore the dark side with a flashlight. One massive problem: if gravity works normally, any huge object like Earth shaped as a flat disk would collapse under its own weight into a sphere. That's why every big celestial body over a few hundred kilometers is round or close to it. Solution? Turn gravity off. Flat world, no tilted houses, no slopes. But then why does an apple fall on Newton's head? Alternative, accelerate the whole disk upward at 9.8 meters per sequator to fake gravity. Issue again. Constant 9.8 meters per sequator acceleration means for 354 days you hit light speed. Over 4.5 billion years, we'd be going about 4.6 billion times the speed of light right now. Yeah, physics breaks. Life in a no-gravity flat world. So flat Earth equals no gravity. Things just fall down because it's their nature? Why doesn't the sun or moon fall? Different nature, duh. Don't question it. Why is Earth flat but other planets round? Whatever. Earth's flat. End of story. Tides. Need moon's gravity. No gravity, no tides. Bonus. Tech. Satellites fly off into space. Goodbye GPS. Astronomy. No solar or lunar eclipses. Sun and moon circle above, can't line up perfectly. Magnetic field. No spinning round core equals no dynamo equals no magnetic shield. Solar wind strips the atmosphere. Hello Mars 2.0. Everything gets fried. Travel and sky differences. Plate tectonics keeps going. Edge plates get shoved off into space. Even without doomsday, life looks wild. Trip from Australia to Antarctica? Round Earth, fly south. Flat, detour through the North Pole and Americas. In 2023, Brittany walked 1,500 kilometers across Antarctica in 70 days. On flat Earth with same 510 million kilometer squared area, diameter 25,482 kilometers, Antarctic rim circumference 80,000 kilometers. Yeah, she'd rethink that trek.
Nope.
Clear day in Southeast Asia? You could see all the way from Vietnam to New York. Impossible with curvature. Stargazing? Northern sky spins counterclockwise around Polaris, southern around the Southern Cross the opposite way. Thank the Almighty for gifting 2 different night skies. Flights. East to west always takes longer than west to east, thanks to jet streams and Coriolis from rotation. Flat Earth? Totally different flight times. Flat Earth doesn't need gravity or logic, just imagination and a sprinkle of magic to stop it collapsing. That's F5M's take. But what about you guys? Would you want to live on a flat Earth? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As always, smash that like button, subscribe to F5M for more mind-bending universe stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.